Father's Day, everyone! This is Eliza Valdez and we're here at KFC. Andito tayo to find the newest endorser of KFC. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Naghahanap kasi kami ng aming KFC endorser. Ikaw na ba yon? Kaya naman pakitaan mo sila kung gaano kasarap ang KFC chicken.
I will do my best.
Subukan natin.
Let's do it!
Try natin.
Masarap pa rin siya on the next day.
Mas malaki kasi yung mga chicken nila rin.
Fresh and flavorful.
Speechless.
Actually, ang favorite ko, napakasarap ng ano.
A finger-licking good job sa ating mga dad endorsers today. This has been Eliza Valdez and happy Father's Day to all the supportive dads out there!